it is the amount of nutrient and energy available at a given layer. Amount of energy and nutrient available at a given layer. तो ट्रॉफ, तो इसीलिए बोला जाता है ना ट्रॉफिक लेवल. तो हर लेवल पे जाएंगे तो अमाउंट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट एंड व्हाट विल हैपन, एनर्जी विल कीप ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. I said that it is the amount of what I said that energy and nutrient या nutrient and energy available. Understood? और जो अपना न्यूट्रिएंट और अपनी एनर्जी खुद बनाए that is known as what? Autotroph. Those who creates their own energy and what? Nutrient in the presence of sunlight, it is known as what? So write down autotroph. Biota who produces their nutrient and energy in the presence of sunlight by their own action known as autotrophs. Clear? And it is also known as producer. At producer level, there are two types of energy and nutrient. First, yes, GPP and NPP. GPP and gross primary production and net primary production. GPP and NPP. Gross primary production and net primary production. If I talk about GPP, what is the GPP? Yes? Huh? अच्छा, economics. अच्छा, gross. Within a given financial year, the final value of producing goods. Produced. The answer. I said that in the presence of sunlight ये सारा कुछ हो रहा है. It is the amount of, ध्यान से, it is the amount of energy absorbed. It is the amount of energy absorbed by producer. It is the amount, पहले ध्यान से सुन तो लो. It is the amount of energy absorbed by the producer in the presence of sunlight. Yes, through the process of photosynthesis. वो क्या हो गया हमारा? Gross primary production. ध्यान से. तो क्या होगा? It is the amount of energy absorbed, energy and nutrient absorbed by the producer in the presence of sunlight through the process of photosynthesis. It is known as what? Gross primary production. Next I said NPP. this producer during their growth, these producers during their growth, they utilize some energy. They utilize what? Some energy in their growth and their repairment of their tissue. Repairment of their, so some energy will be utilized in their growth and the repairment of their tissues. So net energy after subtracting what? Or excluding what? Energy utilized in their growth and repairing. Yes or not? The tissue. It is known as what? Net primary production. समझ में आ गया? तो उसके बाद जो एनर्जी बच गया वो क्या हो गया? एनपीपी. अब इसी को कंज्यूमर्स खाएंगे. तो जीपीपी इज नॉट कंज्यूम बाय द कंज्यूमर, बट इट इज कंज्यूम बाय एनपीपी, नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्शन. और सबसे ज्यादा नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्शन कहां पे है? इन विच बायोम? फटाफट आंसर दे देना चाहिए. और क्या? इक्वेटोरियल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट बायोम. सबसे कम कहां है? डेजर्ट और टुंड्रा. दो है. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, आप डेजर्ट में जाओगे तो वहां पे कुछ पेड़ पौधा मिल सकता है, कीड़े मकोड़े मिल सकते हैं डेजर्ट में या टुंड्रा में? डेजर्ट में मिलेगा, टुंड्रा में. तो कहाँ पे एनपीपी ज्यादा कम होगा? टुंड्रा में. लोएस्ट एनपीपी इज इन टुंड्रा. सो राइट डाउन जीपीपी. लिखवाया था इसके बारे में? क्या डेफिनेशन है? It is the amount of energy and nutrient absorbed by the producer. It is the amount of energy and nutrient absorbed by the producer in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight through photosynthesis, known as, yes, gross primary production. Kilo GPP, NPP. Excluding energy involved, excluding energy involved in the growth and repairment of producers, growth and repairment of producers from gross primary production, known as net primary production. Known as what? Net primary production. And consumers at heterotroph level, consumers at heterotroph level consume, consumers at heterotroph level consume, yes, NPP. It is highest, next point, it is highest in equatorial evergreen forest biome. It is highest in equatorial evergreen forest biome and the lowest in, yes, tundra biome. Understood? So we have seen autotrophs. Autotrophs में क्या होता है? That is ना, it is the what? Biota which what produces their energy and nutrient in the presence of sunlight through the photosynthesis. Yes or not? Who itself creates. And this is known as a producer, autotroph. लेकिन heterotroph क्या होता है? He does not prepare their energy and nutrient. For their energy and nutrient demand, it depends on others. Yes or not? मतलब शेर किस पे रहेगा? घास फूस पे तो रहेगा नहीं ना, किसी और पे रहेगा. कंज्यूमर्स पे, हम लोग के ऊपर, चाहे एनिमल्स के ऊपर, किसी पे दूसरे पे तो रहेगा. तो ऐसे चाहे हर्बीवोर्स को खाने वाला रहेगा. तो देयर इज एन, आई सेड दैट हेटेरोट्रॉफ क्या होता है? यस, हेटेरोट्रॉफ्स the biota who creates their energy and nutrients with the help of other. Understood? So write down the biota who depend on other for their energy and nutrient demand. They do not produce themselves. They do not produce themselves. Yes? So there is a primary consumer, and in the primary consumer there is a heterotrophs. So ये आपका क्या हो गया? It is an autotroph, and इसके ऊपर सारे heterotrophs हैं. And in this one, primary consumer is known as what? Herbivores. Primary consumer is what? Herbivores. And then secondary consumer, yes, carnivores. जो किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? So carnivores. And there is an what? Tertiary consumer. It is, I said that, omnivores. Clear? And there is one carnivore is also there, that is a scavenger. One carnivore is also there. एक तो शेर, भाग वगैरह जितने भी एनिमल्स देखते हो, but there is one carnivore is also there, that is what? A scavenger who lives on the dead animals. Yes or not? So एक कार्निवोर जो है वो मरा हुआ नहीं खाता, और एक कार्निवोर क्या कौन सा है? मरे हुए खाता है. That is the vultures and all. ये सब इसी में आ जाएंगे. कार्निवोर आ जाएंगे. जो शेर क्या है? प्रेडेटर है. यस, लेकिन वल्चर्स क्या है? स्कैवेंजर्स. सो वन कार्निवोर इज व्हाट? स्कैवेंजर. ये साइड काटा दूं मैं. सो one carnivore is what? Is a scavenger who depends upon what? Dead animals. And another carnivore is what? Predator, who depends upon what I said, that animals. मतलब जिंदा खाने वाला. Understood? After this hominid, there is an ultimate one is there what? Decomposer or detritivores, जिसमें आप देखते हैं फंगी, बैक्टीरिया एंड ऑल. एंड ओमनीवर में हम लोग आ जाते हैं, और भी दूसरे लोग भी हो सकते हैं. यस, यहाँ पे कुछ लोग हर्बीवोर ही होंगे. I said, understood? This is known as what? Ecological pyramid. This is known as what? This is the way that food chain, food web, matter cycle, nutrient cycle. फाइनली कौन तोड़ेगा और सारा न्यूट्रिएंट फास्फोरस कहां आया? जमीन पे दोबारा आया, किसने तोड़ के डाला? Decomposers. So this is an what? Ecological pyramid. Yes or no? I said pyramid.